Today I'm going to show y'all how to replace your cabin air filter. First, open your glove box, and for some reason it got stuck. What the heck? Okay, there you go. Secondly, you want to displace all of your contents inside of your glove box somewhere, because when we take this out, it's going to go upside down and spill all your stuff. I went ahead and vacuumed the inside already, just to make sure that no debris gets on my floor, because I'm an anal clean freak. Second of all, you want to locate the damper arm here, and this is going to use a Phillips head screwdriver, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen this. I should have gotten a stubbier screwdriver. And then I'm going to take the damper arm out from its slot there, and then in order to take this out, you just need to squeeze the edges, and then it should just come out. I went ahead and put the fastener in there just in case. I'm going to go ahead and set this on the floor. Looks like my damper arm came out, so I need to figure out how to remount this back in. Alright, so I went ahead and lowered the tripod frail and aimed a flashlight in here. So right here, this is the cabin air box right here. If you look on top, there's two retaining clips. So all you gotta do is just pull down on both of them like this. And the door that accesses the cabin air filter should just flip down, I believe. There you go. As you can see, there's a bunch of debris in there, so I'm gonna vacuum that before I pull it out. Never mind, that was kind of a fail, so I'm just going to pull it out real carefully. I'm going to take note of how it's oriented there. I don't know if this is in backwards because there's no indicators on here, but I will compare it to the other air filter. And yeah, it's definitely time to replace this. There's a bunch of leaves and dust inside the filter medium. That's not good. So here's the part number for the air filter. Unfortunately, both of them don't look the same. The mediums look about the same size, but there's this plastic retainer on the new air filter, and my dog just sniffed my butt. So we're gonna see how this fits in. It's wrapped in plastic. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it says up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the hole one more time just in case. And then now I'm gonna stick the air filter in. So the medium was horizontal this way going in, and then also the labels on here indicating that this way will go up. So I'm going to leave the plastic in here and just try to slide this in here and see if it fits. If not, then I could, the way that the other filter was in there, it did not need the plastic, so I could probably just put the medium in there, and in this case, it did not fit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the whole medium in there. Get the old one and make sure I'm putting it in right. Going horizontal? Oh, no, actually it goes in vertical. I'm retarded. Okay. So again, the filter is going to go in facing up this way. I'm going to insert it with the filter medium going in vertically. And then now I'm going to go ahead and close the retaining clips. You should know it's secure and closed when it clicks. Okay, so to install the damper is pretty easy. I'm going to zoom out my camera here. I am not sure if you can see that, but there's a little male clip right here that is going to go into this little female part right here. And that's just going to clip into the bottom one. And I'm going to expand that all the way out. And I keep saying that I'm really anal about being clean, and yes I am. But don't put your dirty shit right here. You would just mess up your floor mats and your carpet. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my glove box back in. So the way that you put this in is that you aim it down first. And it's kind of like those little Lego hands that grab like a little Lego lightsaber. It just seats itself in there, I guess. And then to push the glove box back into the dashboard, that's all you need to do. Put the fastener back for the dampener. And you don't need to tighten this very tight. It's a plastic screw. Just get it hand tight. Once it engages, then you're good. Perfect. And now I'm going to test it. Alright, well, it dampens. It's not as slow, but, you know, whatever, it works. Alright, so now I'm going to start up the car. So before I replaced the air filter, I was getting a really smelly smell out of the vents after I turned off my AC. So I'm going to turn on the AC for a little bit and then turn it off and then see how the smell is. Manual boy. So fun little fact, I went to an auto shop today and had my AC evacuated and refilled. So what happened is that I was lifting my car up, and on my old AC condenser, so this is my old condenser right here. The hole is somewhere right here. I can't really quite see it right now. Now today I just had my AC repaired. And then here where I live, there are fires, and it was 106 degrees over the weekend. So I've been driving this car the whole summer and a little bit of September without AC, which kind of sucked ass. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off my AC now. And I'm going to let it vent out, put on high. And then I'm going to sniff the air coming out. It's a little better, not much difference, but I'm going to make a video on that. Other than that, that's how you replace your cabin air filter. I hope this helped you out. Have a good day.